Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is supply chain performance achieving strategic fit and scope. What is supply chain? Supply chain is a process or a chain to deliver a final product to customers from raw material which fulfill their demand. For this purpose, the total supply chain is divided into some segments. Basically, the segments consists of supplier, manufacturer, distributor, retailer and customer. Customer is the most important part of a supply chain because all profit of the supply chain comes from the customer. So the total supply chain is developed according to customer demand. Here supply chain performance depends on several criteria. Some of them are listed here. So when a supply chain meets the customer requirements, and when the supply chain has enough product availability, and when the supply chain deliver the product on time, and when all these things are met in a responsive manner, then we can say that the supply chain is performing well. Value chain of a company begins with new product development, which creates specification for the product. Here marketing and sales generate demand. At the same time, marketing also brings customer input back to new product development. Using new product specification, operations transforms input to output to create the product. Distribution either takes the product to customer or bring the customer to the product. And service responds to customer request during or after the sale. Here finance, accounting, information technology and human resources facilitate and support the functioning of the value chain. Competitive strategy is the long-term plan of a company to gain competitive advantage over its competitors in the marketplace. Here we have two different companies, Shopno and Daraz.com.bd. These two companies have different competitive strategy. Shopno follows retail shop strategy. On the other hand, Daraz.com.bd follows online strategy. Shopno has decentralized inventory system, but Daraz has centralized inventory system. Shopno has huge amount of manpower, but Daraz.com has less amount of manpower than Shopno. On the other hand, Daraz.com.bd follows home delivery system, but Shopno doesn't follows home delivery system. So these are the basic difference of these two companies. What is strategic fit in supply chain? Strategic fit is the combination of competitive strategy and strategic capability of a company. When a company ensure competitive strategy and when it ensure strategic capability, then it can be strategically fit in the marketplace. For achieving strategic fit, we have to follow 3 steps: understanding the customer and supply chain uncertainty, understanding the supply chain capabilities, and achieving strategic fit. So understanding the customer and supply chain uncertainty means for a particular company, the company must understand the customer needs for each targeted segment and the uncertainty these needs impose on the supply chain. Then understanding the supply chain capabilities means a company must understand what its supply chain is designed to do well. And achieving strategic fit means when there is no mismatch exist, the strategic fit will be achieved by these processes. Implied demand uncertainty. There are two types of implied demand uncertainty. One is low demand uncertainty and other is high demand uncertainty. For daily products which are used by daily basis like rice, pulse, sugar, atta, maida, wheat, so these products have low demand uncertainty because these products have stable demand and these products has low profit margin and always consistent supply. And again, these are the old products. So for the old products and for the daily basis products, the demand uncertainty is low. There is another demand uncertainty, that is high demand uncertainty. This phenomenon generally occurs for new product and for technological product, because when a technological product is launched, it has high demand uncertainty, it has unstable demand, it has high profit margin, at the same time it has supply uncertainty. So for new product and especially technological product like cell phone, smartphone, smart TV, this phenomenon is happened. These segments represents a figure of cost responsiveness efficient frontier, and this figure represents a relationship between responsiveness and cost. So what does it mean, responsiveness? When a company meets short lead times, handle large variety of products, build highly innovative products, meet a high service level, handle supply uncertainty, and respond to wide ranges of quantities demanded, then it is said that the company is highly responsive. So when a company is highly responsive, it will deserve high cost. At the same time, when a company is low responsive, then it will demand or deserve low cost. Again, when a company is situated on above of the cost responsiveness efficient frontier curve, then the company can improve its position by improving or by further development of its existing technology. High responsiveness deserves high cost. So for this purpose, we have two examples, Grainger and Uline. Grainger is a North American company and which is industrial grade and safety product supplier. They have 250 outlets over the USA. They claim next day delivery, and even for 97% cases they can deliver their product on the same day from their outlets. They have huge inventory around 1.6 million products available to their inventory. They they have highly developed websites from where customers can search their products by keywords. Even they can supply and they can deliver all kinds of products like mechanical, electrical, furniture, food, sports, flooring, replacement parts, hospitality, etc. On the other hand, Uline is also a North American company. It is a shipping, industrial and packaging material company. So for 99.5% cases, they claim they can deliver products on the same day. Even they also claim that they can, if anybody order at 6 p.m. they can deliver the product at that day. So these two companies are highly responsive and so they deserve high cost. Low responsiveness deserves low cost. For this purpose, we have two examples, that is Purnima Restaurant and Ashwabiri.com. So these two companies are low responsive and their product cost is very low because their delivery time is lengthy and at the same time their delivery cost is low. So this shows that high responsiveness deserves high cost and low responsiveness deserves low cost. Thank you everybody for watching this presentation.